is the sports brand we know and love today because of their bikes and MTB racing team. Here's everything you need to know to get full cycle on Scott Sports. In 1958, Scott was founded by engineer and skier Ed Scott in Sun Valley, Idaho. In the same year, he hired Charlie French. Together, they invented the use of aluminum ski poles, replacing the old bamboo they used back in the day. Steel poles. In the year 1970, they came to the motocross market, selling motocross specific goggles, boots, and accessories. Hindi pa sila pumasok ng cycling until the year 1989. Yung taon ay in-introduce nila ang isa pinaka-significant na invention sa world ng cycling, which is they introduced the first aero bar, shaped by the man Charlie French. And in the same year, Greg LeMond used the first aero bar and win the freaking Tour de France. 2 years later, they got into mountain biking, introduced the Unshock suspension. They rock the world of cycling. 3 years later, they got into the use of carbon fiber, introducing ang pinakaunang carbon MTB, the Endorphin. Kasabay na maraming panalo sa World Cup at Olympics. Ang pangalang Endorphin ay naging isang true legend sa world ng cycling. And in 1998, introducing the lightest, malamok, introducing the G0, the lightest full suspension bike, and instantly became a milestone sa industry ng cycling. 2001, Scott introduced the Team Issue road bike, the lightest frame in the market, which is less than 1 kilogram, and 2 years later topped by the CR1 in a whopping 895 grams. In 2003, Scott introduced the Genius, a concept of full suspension mountain bike na may shock suspension na adjustable into 3 different modes, which is the lockout mode, all travel mode, and the traction mode. Pretty soon, napuno ang mga magazine ng mga magandang news about the all new Junior. Mas lalo pa ito yung na-highlight dahil sa pagkapanalo ni Thomas Frischnet sa marathon event ng the World Championships. 2005, utilizing its CR1 technology, Scott introduced the lightest triathlon frame, the Plasma, which was 980 grams light, plus the integrated carbon seat post with 300 grams. It became the lightest triathlon-specific bike in the world. In 2007, Scott introduced the lightest road frame, the Addict frame, which weighs in about 790 grams, combined with a 165-gram integrated seat post, plus Scott's new carbon IMP fork, which weighs in about 330 grams. The new Addict bike weighs in an amazing 5.9 kilograms. The same year, 2007, nang in-apply ng Scott ang kanilang revolutionary newly integrated molding process, which is IMP, sa kanilang already proven na CR1 technology at ang kanilang new Nude TC shock, nakapag-produce ang Scott ng lightest na full suspension bike, which is the Spark. 2009, Scott brought back the Genius. The Genius bike generation 2 is born. Same name, new frame, new geometry, with the new Equalizer 2 suspension, with an oil transfer system. 2000 Scott advanced pa yan sa bike ko. Twin lock suspension. Ngayon pwede mo na ilagay ang desirable settings mo na hindi inaalis ang dalawang kamay mo sa handlebar. Ang mga riders pwede pumili in both full travel mode, traction mode. Pwede mo na i-fully lockout ang fork at ang new Equalizer 2 shock suspension. 2011, Scott introduced the new Scott scale and sets a new benchmark. It weighs less than 899 grams. And in the same year, Nino Schurter raced the new Scott scale and wins the overall MTB World Cup. In the same year, 2011, Scott introduced the Genius LT, and it means long travel. Necessary para sa lahat ng mountain situation, na lahat ng descents ay nasty, pero gusto mo pa rin nakit yung tok-tok. No problem. You have the all MTB lightest frame. Na available siya sa 185mm ng travel at 110mm ng 2012. Scott is the first brand to realize a successful 27.5 wheel size line with world champion Nino Schurter conquers the racetracks using his game-changer Scott Scale 700 RC. In 2012, Scott introduced an e-bike line, and in 2013, they introduced the e-Spark. Yes, of course, it's in 27.5 wheel size, integrated with the Bosch engine, and with one of the most modern full suspension bikes in the world. Same year, Scott introduced the first road kit under 1 kilograms, introducing the new Scott Addict SL. Anong sekreto sa pagkagaan niya? Yung HMX SL lang naman. Yun ang pinakamagandang carbon fiber sa market. It utilizes nanotechnology, which incorporates a carbon nanotube reinforced epoxy resin. The next year, 2014, Scott introduced the new Scott Plasma Bike. It constitutes the latest development in modern triathlon and TT bikes, the ultimate solution for demanding endurance athletes. 2015, as the first brand in bike industry, Scott introduced an entire line of Plus bikes. 27.5 wheel size. Thanks to its wider tires, it enables more fun and aggressive handling. In 2016, in both winning the Olympics and the XCO World Championships in their categories, and in the same year, Scott Odlow's MTB racing teams, Dino Schurter and Jenny Rissbeds, not only marked a milestone in the sports of mountain biking, but also marked the successful year in Scott history. 2017, Scott introduced the lightest aero road bike with disc brakes. And also in the same year, they released the two Geniuses. The new Scott Genius and the Genius. After niya manalo ng gold medal sa Olympics in Rio in 2016, Dino Schurter went even further and win everything na kayang mapanalunan ng isang XC mountain bike rider. Every World Cup race, the legendary Cape Epic stage, and you name it, the World Championships. It is the perfect season for Dino Schurter. 2018, it's a big year for Scott Sport, marking their 60th anniversary. And in the same year, they released the new Scott Ransom. It was originally released in 2006, and it came with a bit of a surprise because it came with a 160mm travel. And after 13 years, it's back and hopes to shake the tree again. It comes with a 170mm of travel, both front and rear, and in 2018, the same year, Rootcroft won the Golden Trail Series. And also in the same year, they released the new Scott Addict RC, one of the most successful road bikes in competitive cycling. In 2019, Scott opened its new headquarters in Gibizes in Switzerland and acquired the love of my life, Kate Courtney. Hey Kate, I like you. You like me?
Oh, not so nice. Not so nice.
Friend zone, okay? Obviously, I missed a lot of things about Scott. Kung alam niyo po yung mga bagay na hindi ko naisama, please comment down below. And thank you for watching Full Cycle.